Why do species coexist despite competition? Imagine walking through a lush forest or a vibrant coral reef. You see many different species living side by side. How do they manage to share space and resources without one taking over? It might seem surprising, but many species can coexist even when they compete for the same resources. In nature, competition happens when species fight for limited things like food, space, or sunlight. If one species is better at getting these resources, it could push others out. This is called competitive exclusion, where the weaker species might disappear from that area. But in real ecosystems, many species manage to live together, and there are ways this happens. One key way is through what scientists call stabilizing mechanisms. These help species become more specialized in how they use resources. For example, some birds eat only certain types of seeds, while others prefer insects. By focusing on different foods or feeding at different times, they avoid direct clashes. This process is called niche differentiation or niche partitioning. It means species carve out their own little roles in the environment, reducing competition. Another important factor is equalizing mechanisms. These make sure no one species has a huge advantage over others. When species have similar abilities or fitness levels, it's harder for one to dominate. Sometimes, natural events like storms or fires shake things up, giving weaker species a chance to survive and grow. Changes in weather or resource availability also help keep the playing field level. Together, these mechanisms help balance competition. Stabilizing mechanisms make species more unique in how they use resources, while equalizing mechanisms prevent any one species from becoming too dominant. This balance allows many species to live in the same place without one pushing the others out. Plus, species can adapt over time. They might evolve new traits or change their behaviors to better fit their environment. This ongoing process helps maintain diversity and keeps ecosystems healthy. Understanding these processes helps ecologists protect biodiversity. By maintaining diverse habitats and natural disturbances, we support species that have different ways of surviving. This way, ecosystems stay rich and resilient, with many species sharing the space. So, even though species compete, they find ways to coexist by specializing, sharing resources, and adapting to changes. Nature's way of balancing competition keeps ecosystems full of life and variety.